Hello, what's up guys, welcome back. In this tutorial I'll show you how to record a computer screen using VLC Media Player in easiest way. As we know that VLC Media Player is used to watch video and play songs. But do you know we can use VLC Media Player to record computer screen and can also be used to take snapshot. So just stay with me, watch full video and subscribe to get latest video and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. So first, open your VLC Media Player. Now go to Media and click the Media button. After clicking, we will see option. Now from this option, click Capture Device, and now from this Capture Device, change the capture mode to desktop. And if you want to record a video while playing, then you can change capture mode to direct show. After that, change the desired frame rate to 15. You can also change the frame rate to 20, 30 according to your wish and click here. Now we will see an option, and from this option click on Convert. After that, click here and select MP4. Now give your desired profile name and click on Save. Now select where you want to save your recorded video. Click on Browser. Choose any folder. Let's choose Desktop. And now give the file name. Let's give text.mp4. And click on Save button, and now, by clicking Start button, VLC Media Player will start recording your screen. It will record whatever you do on screen. After finish recording, click on Stop button and close it. Now you can see your video appear on your desktop. Now you can just play it. And for snapshot, open any one video. After opening video, click the View button up there. After clicking, we will see option. And from this option, click the Advanced Control button. After clicking Advanced Control button, we will see 4 button appeared in our computer screen in downside. So if you want to take snapshot, just click the snapshot button, and your snapshot will automatically saved in your picture folder. Now close the window and open your picture folder. Here we can see the saved picture in our picture folder. Thank you for watching this video. Next video I'm gonna show you how to convert low quality picture into HD picture. So please click the subscribe button for the latest video. For next video, link is provided in the description. Goodbye.